Have you ever looked up at the night sky? Have you ever felt small beneath the vast, dark canvas dotted with countless stars? For as long as we have been human, we have asked questions about our place in this grand cosmic theater. Where did all of this come from? What lies beyond the farthest star we can see? These questions are not just for scientists in their laboratories or philosophers in their studies, they belong to all of us. Today, we are going to explore a truly mind-bending idea. It sounds like science fiction, yet it is rooted in the frontiers of modern physics. What if our entire universe is not what it seems? What if everything we know, everything we can see, everything we are exists inside something else? Could our universe be nestled inside a black hole? This question challenges our most basic assumptions about reality. We will look through two lenses, science and faith, observation and scripture. Before we dive into this cosmic rabbit hole, let's talk about black holes. Imagine a star, many times more massive than our sun, reaching the end of its life. It collapses under its own immense gravity into a singularity, a tiny point of immense density. The gravity is so powerful, nothing, not even light, can escape. They are like deep wells in the fabric of space-time, a cosmic one-way street. That point of no return is called the event horizon. Cross it, and you're destined toward the singularity, spaghettified by tidal forces. Scientists are still grappling with what happens inside. The laws of physics seem to break down. Does information disappear forever, or is it preserved on the horizon like a cosmic hologram? This is the black hole information paradox, gravity versus quantum mechanics. Black holes are not empty voids, they are complex, dynamic objects. They radically warp space and time and challenge our understanding of information. Some scientists even speculate black holes could be the birthplaces of new universes. This is where our journey begins. Let's begin our list of mind-blowing facts. We start with the very beginning of our own universe. Science tells us our cosmos began from an infinitely hot, infinitely dense point. This initial state is called a singularity. Every star, every planet, every person was once compressed into this single, unimaginable point before the Big Bang. It is the ultimate origin story, the cornerstone of modern cosmology. The Qur'an speaks of the heavens and the earth as a joined entity, Surah Al-Anbiya 21:30. That verse evokes an image of a primordial unity, resonant with the scientific singularity. Fact 3. A black hole also contains a singularity. This parallel is what first sparked this idea among some physicists. Could the inside of a black hole's singularity be the outside of a new universe's Big Bang? It's a fascinating bridge between two extreme concepts. Our universe is not static, it is constantly growing. Ever since the Big Bang, space itself has been stretching, carrying galaxies away from each other. This expansion was first observed by Edwin Hubble in the 1920s. He noticed that the farther away galaxies are, the faster they move away. Redshift. Fact 5. Our universe is expanding. Fact 7. The surface of a black hole's event horizon also expands when it gains mass. The Quran says, "And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed we are its expander." 51:47. Many interpret the Arabic as indicating expansion. The Quran also describes the sky as a protected ceiling, 21:32, an image of a boundary. An event horizon is the ultimate protected ceiling. Space itself is expanding between objects. Not objects moving through space, but the fabric stretching. Could this expansion be analogous to growth of a black hole's horizon in a higher dimensional parent universe? It is a mind-bending thought that connects two kinds of expansion. Just as a black hole has an event horizon, our universe has a boundary too. It is the edge of the observable universe, a limit to what we can see. Because the universe is 13.8 billion years old, light from beyond a certain distance hasn't reached us. We are surrounded by a bubble. Everything inside is our observable universe. Space is accelerating. Light from beyond will likely never reach us. The cosmic horizon acts like a one-way membrane, much like an event horizon. The Quran speaks of gates in the heavens, 15:14-15, imagery of passages and thresholds. That image resonates with the idea of horizons as thresholds. Fact 11. Inside a black hole, time and space switch roles according to relativity. An object inside inevitably moves toward the singularity, just as we move forward in time. The Quran mentions different measures of time. A day with God is like 1,000 years, 32:5. The idea that time is relative mirrors physics in extreme gravity. These horizon ideas force us to rethink the limits of what we can know. Whether boundary or horizon, the image of a contained cosmos is powerful. Our universe is filled with more than we can see. When astronomers measured galaxy rotations, they found something missing. The visible matter, stars, gas, dust, is not enough. This led to the theory of dark matter. It acts as a cosmic scaffold. Visible things like stars are about 5% of the universe, dark matter tilde 27%, dark energy tilde 68%. Our existence is shaped by these unseen forces. The Qur'an speaks of the unseen, al-ghaib, realities beyond human perception. While not identical to dark matter, the concept of an unseen, powerful reality is a compelling parallel. Black holes are the ultimate dark objects, detected only by gravitational effects. Some propose primordial black holes could be dark matter candidates. If we live in a black hole, the parent universe could influence us gravitationally from outside. The Qur'an speaks of forces that hold the heavens, an unseen command restraining the sky. This resonates with our scientific quest to understand gravity and dark energy. It invites humility before the unseen. What is reality made of? Is it matter and energy, or something more fundamental? Some physicists propose the primacy of information. The holographic principle suggests the information for a 3D volume could be encoded on a 2D boundary. Black hole physics shows a maximum information proportional to the surface area, not volume. This surprising result suggested reality might be two-dimensional at its foundation, like a hologram projecting depth from a flat film. The Quran speaks of a preserved tablet, a master record of all things. This divine record functions metaphorically like a cosmic database. If we live in a black hole, the event horizon could be the encoding surface for our universe. We would be living inside the projection. Holographic cosmology could solve many puzzles of the Big Bang. It offers a strange but elegant picture of existence. The Quran describes creation as originating from a divine word, be, and it is. This resonates with the idea that reality is informational, a command or code bringing things into being. What is the ultimate fate of our universe, and what does that mean for the black hole theory? Current consensus points to accelerating expansion and a possible big freeze. But some theories propose a cyclical model where universes rebirth from remnants. The universe in a black hole idea offers a mechanism, black holes as seeds for baby universes, one of many births across a multiverse. Some propose fecund universes, universes that produce more black holes have more offspring. Over time, this could bias the multiverse toward laws favoring stars and black holes. This cyclical model finds echoes in spiritual reflections about renewal. The Quran states, "As we began the first creation, we will repeat it." A promise. Worlds giving birth to new worlds, a cosmic family tree. Every black hole could be a gateway to another creation. It is a breathtaking vision of cosmic evolution on the grandest scale. And it resonates with scripture about repeating creation. We have journeyed to the edge of scientific theory and spiritual reflection. We saw singularity, expansion, a cosmic horizon, and the holographic idea, all pointing to deep mystery. Science gives us mechanics, scripture gives us meaning. They need not conflict. Both invite humility and awe. Whether we are inside a black hole or not, the quest to understand is what matters. Keep asking, keep exploring. If you enjoyed this journey, like and subscribe for more explorations of science and faith. Could our universe be inside a black hole? 10 scientific facts paired with reflections from the Quran. We'll explore density, time dilation, horizons, and more. Each fact is followed by a Quran verse for reflection. Fact 11. The universe's average density sits near critical thresholds. That critical density determines whether expansion slows or collapses. Quran. Indeed, Allah holds the heavens and the earth lest they cease. Surah Fatir 35:41. A poetic reminder of a sustaining force beyond mechanical thresholds. Fact 12. Time slows dramatically near black hole horizons. To outside observers, infalling clocks appear to freeze at the edge. Quran. And indeed a day with your Lord is like 1,000 years of those which you count. Surah Al-Hajj 22:47. The verse resonates with relativistic stretching of time near extreme gravity. Fact 13. Nothing can escape a black hole, not even light. Similarly, parts of our universe lie forever beyond our cosmic horizon. Quran. O company of jinn and mankind, if you are able to pass beyond the regions of the heavens and the earth, then pass. You will not pass except by authority. Surah Ar-Rahman 55:33. A reminder that crossing certain cosmic boundaries requires authority beyond us. Fact 14. Some quantum gravity models propose a bounce after collapse. A collapsing star could, in theory, seed a new, expanding cosmos. Quran. He begins creation, Then he repeats it, that he may reward those who have believed. Surah Yunus 10:4. The image of repeated creation echoes scientific bounce scenarios. Fact 15. If each black hole births a universe, reality could be effectively infinite. This expands cosmology beyond a single, isolated cosmos. Qur'an. All praise is due to Allah, Lord of the worlds. Surah Al-Fatiha 1:2. The plural term invites contemplation of multiple realms or layers. Fact 16. Singularities are hidden behind horizons, inaccessible to outside view. They remain theoretical, inferred, not directly observed. Qur'an. He is the knower of the unseen and the witnessed, the grand, the exalted. Surah Ar-Ra'd 13:9. A reminder that some realities are known only to the Creator. Fact 17. Gravity appears surprisingly weak. Some theories propose it leaks to other dimensions. Leakage could explain why gravity is orders of magnitude weaker than other forces. Qur'an. And of all things we created two mates. Perhaps you will remember. Surah Adh-Dhariyat 51:49. This imagery can poetically suggest hidden paired realities. Fact 18. The holographic principle suggests our 3D world could be encoded on a boundary. Information on a horizon could, in theory, describe a full interior. Qur'an. Do they not see that Allah, who created the heavens and the earth, is able to create the likes of them? Surah Al-Isra 17:99. This verse points to the Creator's power to make layered or like realities. Fact 19. We are limited by a cosmic horizon. We cannot see beyond it. This observational limit shapes what science can test and confirm. Qur'an. And we have put before them a barrier and behind them a barrier and covered them so they do not see. Surah Yasin 36:9. Both scripture and science acknowledge limits to our sight and knowledge. Fact 20. If each black hole births universes, creation could be nested infinitely. Every universe might contain its own black holes and further offspring. Qur'an. Do they not see how Allah begins creation and then repeats it? Indeed, that for Allah is easy. Surah Al-Ankabut 29:19. Both science and scripture evoke the possibility of repeated vast creation. So maybe our universe is inside a black hole, a creation within a creation. Science searches answers while the Quran reminds us of layers and vastness. If you enjoyed this deep cosmic journey, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.